Good morning, everybody. This is Sean Schlesinger with Silver Seas Yachts here in Sausalito, California today. And we're going to take a look at this 2018 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. This boat has the slate gray hull, big windows with the new styling put into this, bow seating up there. There is a sunshade that goes over that, polished stainless steel anchor. Just for reference, I'm 6'3". You can see there's a lot of freeboard on this boat. 50 Cantius. Hydraulic swim platform with recessed stairs that pop down out of that. Sunshade that comes out of the back. We do have boarding stairs from both sides on this boat. Something that a lot of people like. You've got an aft grill station. Cockpit table that does sink down, fills into a little sunbed here. We've got the rear port docking station. This is really handy on moving this boat around. You come back here, you operate from right here. This is what your view is. Large walk-arounds up to the bow on both sides. Plenty of room up here. This guy does have the FLIR night vision mounted up on the front here. He did that for the angles that he preferred. We've got our seating table that does pop up from underneath there. See, it's a little bit wet out this morning. Just trying to get some preliminary footage for everybody that is asking me about this boat now that it's coming on the market. Stepping inside, we do have our bar top here. This boat does have the optional bar stools. You'll see this guy drops down. Creates a really nice bar area. This is the high gloss finish wood. It is the walnut with the walnut Antico floors. This is everybody's favorite spot to sit right here. You hang out and serve yourself a little beverage here. Boat is still covered in the owner's decor. He is going to get things cleaned up for us. I beat him down here before he could even do that. In our galley here, we do have one fridge freezer underneath our counter next to our large stainless steel sink. We got two more fridge freezer drawers here. Plenty of storage filled up for taking all your appropriate stuff in here. Lots of cabinets with more storage in it. We've got this little L-shaped seating over here to your starboard. And a much bigger U-shaped seating here. This does have flip over leaves for this table. Once again, a high gloss finish table. Very beautiful. We got some nice decor dogs there. AIS on here. Yep, just sitting here. We do have a backup camera on board the boat. You've got your charts, radar, nav, FLIR night vision, as I mentioned. Does have joystick drive, docking, driving, DPS, opening windows right here on both sides. Big opening sunroof on board the boat. Everybody likes this. Brings in a lot of natural light. Just to show you how far back that goes. Stepping down into our living area, we've got a bunk room with your 1224 volt and 240 120 panel right there. Coming into our VIP suite, we do have Nice windows in here. Large hanging locker. Jack and Jill doors for your day head. Beautifully finished shower with the marbling in here. Shelf storage. Great height in this bathroom. 6'3", right? Plenty of storage throughout. As I said, our Jack and Jill doors. Leads us back out into and down to our master. Master head. Same similar height in here. Beautifully finished. It's a large shower stall. We've got a very nice hanging locker. That's nice and full still. Everybody's favorite little day bed to sit on right next to these big windows, including the opening ones. That was a big improvement over the 48 that they made, was putting opening windows in this master. Got a large TV, sound bar, sound system in here. Each stateroom has its own climate control. We do have a washer and dryer on here. As you can see, even over on this side of the bed, plenty of headroom. This does have a little bit of a drop down over the bed that allows for that floorway through the upper salon area. But with the step down right here, you still have plenty of headroom height walking through this boat. Never feeling like you're needing to duck until you get to right about the middle part of the bed. Yeah, very beautiful, spacious master. They got the tile work on there. They've done a phenomenal job in a 50-foot boat to make this feel wonderful. Stepping down into our engine room, you're gonna see stand-up height in here. This is really nice. Fireboy suppression system. These are the Volvo IPS 600s. Hit the Kohler generator on there. Everything's nice and labeled, easy to get to. Glendenning cable master, there's your ACs. You got your battery banks in nice boxes over there. Perco switches for all your batteries right there, which is handy.